Hey y'all, it's time for another Nails of the Week. This design is called Bright as a Feather. I'm just showing the packaging on how to apply the nails. I really noticed that I had to pay close attention to my application process. Make sure to use the enclosed prep pad, and you can also use some acetone if you have it, and be sure to press the nail down firmly. I have noticed that my natural nails are much firmer and healthier than when I had acrylic. So here's the look on myself. I've had these nails on for about 4 days or so. I had a couple of nails to fall off on my last couple of sets, which was why I wasn't sure if I wanted to continue the nails of the week, because you all know I like to recommend products that are working for me and that I actually use. But when I paid close attention to the application, took my time, stopped doing them at night when I got sleepy, I noticed that the set lasts much longer this time. And it's also time for me to have a manicure just to clean off some of that extra skin and whatnot. So I'm sure that will help with the application process as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.